The Johnson County Range War was one of the last great range wars in the history of the American West. Basically, it was a control over the land and who was going to control the cattle industry. The Johnson County Range War was a time when the American frontier was coming to a close. The kind of Wild West that we think of today was moving towards a really urban, industrial society. Rick, do you have any concerns about this particular piece?
I want to know if it was actually his.
Okay.
We have the Colt letter, which is not going to tell you if it was his.
Right, it's going to tell you where it was shipped, what it basically looked like when it left the factory.
And we have this letter right here.
Okay. So this looks to be a notarized letter that is giving some of the provenance of the particular piece that was passed down through the Coates family. Now, one of the things that kind of just jumps out at me immediately is this documentation is done in two different ink colors. And then this part that directly references the Colt is listed in a different ink color.
So do you think this actually belonged to Coates?
Basically, with what we have here, it's really hard to make that connection.
It looks to me to be the same handwriting, but just a different color ink.
Yeah, but even if the ink looked fine, everything about this looked right, you need to be able to trace it a little bit more.